We eat our talented. We eat them. Anybody with talent, we eat them up. It takes the crabs in a barrel bucket into another level. But we eat our talented. We take them, dispose them, and get rid of them. We don't take care of them. We don't treat them with the type of care that they actually need. We talk about the talented. And the non-talented people who won't identify themselves need to acknowledge that the talented need to be put up on a pedestal and rule and control because they have the power. So we eat our talented. That's what we do. In our own communities, people that got skills, the people that don't have any skills, whether they know it or not, they're always hating and talking negative and trying to watch and make sure that the people that got talent don't go nowhere. So we eat our talent. Despite all of that, I still love y'all. That's a super hiccup.